What is the life force G?
System theory describes organizing systems that operate on the boundary edge of chaos, balancing chaos and order in an act of emergence or creation. Emergent systems act upon a similar level of emergent systems. Like interacts with like. There is a boundary between different emergent operating systems where different emergent level components can interact on the edge of chaos for that system.
Entanglement is the generation of a system that creates stored information or a memory that can be measured or recalled. Memory is stored recallable information. All the biomolecular components of life are a structural physical memory for a functional operation like hardware in a computer. However, the complexity of biomolecules within a living cellular organism presents a difficult problem for coordinating complex kinetic interactivity to create the emergent properties of life. Having an entangled memory of these interactions could create a template for organizing and coordinating these interactions, even possibly forming non-local and non-kinetic activity. This entanglement of the biological memory is like the software for the physical biomolecular hardware. An emergent system is generated from the organization and interaction of network components that process nonlinear functional operations. The quantum entangled memory is a template imprinting the physical emergent functional operation. It has been shown that there is a bioelectric current that coordinates cellular morphogenesis. This bioelectric current allows cells to communicate in a higher order top-down state, controlling the overall development of the organism. This electric wave functions in the physical plane as the quantum entanglement memory functions in the quantum plane. These bioelectric wave functions are also seen in the brain, forming complex EEG patterns that in a similar manner to cell development generates the bioelectric functions associated with consciousness. They are also seen in the heart rhythms in the EKG. The bioelectric field gradient could affect the molecular conformational structural activity and interactions of various cellular biomolecules such as enzymes. The bioelectric field could cause an entanglement in certain atoms within proteins. They'll cause a conformational activation within that protein molecule, affecting its interaction with other entangled proteins, resulting in the emergent operation. This entangled template would lock in a molecular conformational state for activity for the entangled molecules in a given bioelectric field. The quantum entangled memory is a template imprinting the information for the functional organization of the emergent operation. The emergent system generates a higher order information processing per energy used. The resultant bioelectric energy in the physical plane imprints the entanglement information memory into the quantum plane. This quantum memory forms a template entangling and linking the various network biomolecules from the physical plane into the quantum plane. This non-localized quantum entangled network system can interact, exchanging information independent of the physical network processing system. In this way, the entangled system is a wave function where the components act like a hologram containing the integrated emergent information of the system. The repetition or strength of the entanglement imprinting determines the stability and strength of the entangled system memory. The measurement or collapse of any portion of an entangled system results in the whole system's collapse and realization of the integrated information of the system. The memory contains the information of the emergent state functional entanglement from a physical kinetic interaction to creation of a quantum entangled emergent system. This quantum information memory can be defined in units of qubits. The boundary between the quantum memory space and the biophysical plane is the interface for the intelligent information energetic processing in life that can be considered the life force, or what some call the chi. The life force is defined as quantum information qubits per physical energy joule. The higher the level of the life force density will have a higher information of qubits processing capacity per joule of energy.